Hi everyone, welcome to CI 501, Foundations of Computer Applications for Business and Education. My name is Fan Zhen and I'm your instructor in this course. You can just call me Fan. I am the PhD student in learning technology and also a graduate instructor and a lab assistant in Department of CNI. And this is a video to give all of you a warm welcome to the new semester and this course. So in this video, I'm going to introduce the main content of this course and show what you need to do every week. And I will also give you a brief introduction of week one, which will have some pretty easy tasks you need to finish. So for this course, and this is a totally online course aimed to help students develop vital digital literacies in the professions of business, marketing, and education. We will learn something about the digital literacy, some basic skills of designing a web, some collaboration tools, and something about the webinar. I trust you guys will enjoy this course. For every week, I will post the new content of that week every Monday noon. So please pay attention to that. And every week, what you need to do is just to check your email from me and the task list and finish all of the tasks in the list to get the grades every week. So at first, I'm going to show you the page. So this is the front page of our course. So this is my email address and this is a preferred contact with. So for the week one, okay, so this is a week one page. So this week you have a total 4 tasks, which are all easy. So the first one is to watch this video to have a basic understanding of this course. And the second task is to read the course syllabus and the tips for success. And this is very essential and important. I hope you can read it carefully, especially the class schedule and the deadline of each task. I will also note the due time of each task in the course page, like this one. So these 10 tips for successful online learners, I hope it will be helpful for you to have a great success in this course. The third task is to introduce yourself. We all will use Flipgrid to do our video self-introduction. What you need to do is pretty easy. Just click this button and input the password here, CI501. So input the password here and just click the plus button. You can add your own video self-introduction. And okay, the last task is to do a technology journal in Slack. So you need to think about the technologies that you use every day and what is your purpose of using them. Write it down in a document and share it with us in the technology journal in the Slack chat in the Slack. And there is one example of the technology journal. You can read this one before you start your own journal. And this one is a video for instructing you how to join the Slack. Please watch it before you click this join Slack button. So after all of this mission completed, I hope you will have a great time in this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to send an email to me. My email address is in the front page that I just showed to you, and the course syllabus. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thank you so much.